no way to dig it. I need to drill it.
You're watching a scamming locksmith caught in the act in San Francisco.
Will that cost more?
Yeah.
You bet it'll cost more because he does unnecessary work. He drills the lock.
Hey, you got it.
Puts in a new one, and then overcharges as well.
Supposed to be $820 plus tax $70, $890.
$890. A legitimate local locksmith says he could have opened the same door in no time for about $100.
$110 tops, you know, come on.
Complaints about unnecessary work, overcharging, shoddy workmanship, and lowball telephone quotes.
$39 plus $15 and up to open.